Hello again, Teacher Margaret here again, and today I'm looking at the letters and the sounds of the letters they make. But I had a student ask me, Teacher Margaret, can you look at making pictures for the letters so we can remember the letters by picture rather than just how it looks on the text? Yeah, okay. So thank you for that recommendation, and I've changed my letters and put some pictures with them to help you guys remember the letter name. Okay, so here's our first one. We all know this one, so let's have a review. Can you see it? Well done. Here's our picture to remind us. Mountain. Down Maisie. Can you see Maisie? There she is. There's Maisie. Down Maisie. Mountain, mountain. And that's how you write it. And that's what I'll be learning you today. How to actually write the letters using the picture. Down Maisie. Mountain, mountain. Here's our next one. Well done, it is a vowel, so Margaret always uses actions. Ah, ah, ah. And here it is. Here's the apple. Here's the apple. You start at this side, around the apple and down the leaf. Around the apple, down the leaf. That's how you write it. Ah. Well done. This is the one that everyone remembers. And here's the picture. Slither down the snake. Start from the top. Slither down the snake. S. Don't forget, it goes this way rather than that way. Can you remember what it is? Well done if you got that right. Let's see our picture. Dinosaur. How do you write the dinosaur? Start from there. Around the dinosaur's bottom, up to his head, down to his feet. Let's try that again. Around the dinosaur's bottom, up to his head, down to his feet. D. Well done, just comes from there, remember? Doesn't come from there, just here. Tower. Tower. Down the tower, across the tower. Down the tower, across the tower. T. It's a vowel sound. Here's my action. Well done if you got that right. It is itchy, itchy. Itchy, itchy. Insect. Down its body, dot for its head. Down its body, dot for its head. Itchy insect. I. Here's the next one. It's not It's only got one over the top. Let's look at the picture. Down Noddy. Here's Noddy. Can you see Noddy? That's Noddy. Down Noddy over his net. And you can see he's playing football, or you can say soccer, whichever English you're using. I'm British English, So I call that football. Down Noddy, over his net. Just comes from there. Let's have a look at the picture. Pirate. Pirate. Around the pirate's face and down his plait. Around the pirate's face and down its plait. Pirate. Well done. It's very similar to the pirate. And I'll show you the difference. Girl. Girl. Around the girl, down and give her a curl. Around the girl's face, down and give her a curl. The pirate is the other way around. Pirate this way, around the pirate's face, down his plait this way. The girl this way, around the girl's face, down and give her a curl. Okay, well, be careful with those two. And that is G. This one's a nice easy one. The va action. Vowel action, it is O. Well done. And here's our picture. Orange. Orange. O. It's a nice easy one. Well done. Doing these really well today. Here's our picture. Curl around the caterpillar. Start from the top. Curl around the caterpillar. K. Caterpillar. K. Now I've put this one in because it's the same sound as our caterpillar picture. It's the same sound, K. K. But it's very strong. Kangaroo. Here it is. Here's our kangaroo picture. Down the kangaroo, up to its tail, down to its feet. Down the kangaroo, up to its tail, down to its feet. K. I don't think we've looked at this vowel action yet. Up. Up. Sorry. Umbrella. Down around the umbrella, down to its puddle. Can you see the puddle of rain? The puddle of rain. Down and around the umbrella, down to its puddle. This one comes from this area, voiced. Well done if you got it right. Here's our picture. Boot. Boot. From the top again. Sorry, from the top. Down to its heel and around the toe. That's how you write it. Down to its heel and around the toe. B. Boot. B. don't think we've looked at this one. Okay, here's the letter. Here's the picture. Flower. Flower. Start from the flower, go down its stem and across the leaf. Flower, down its stem and across the leaf. Flower. Just from there. Your teeth goes in front of your bottom lip and blow. Well done. Flower. Vowel. Excellent job if you remember that one. Here's the picture. Egg. Yummy egg. And the nice rhyme for this one to write, help you write. Cut the egg. Cut the egg and scoop it out. Cut the egg and scoop it out. Cut the egg and scoop it out. Egg. Well done if you know this one, because I don't think we've looked at this one together on our videos. Let's have a look. Leg. Down the long leg. Down the long leg. Watch my tongue. Leg. Now for this one, it's very important not to do this. Because you're putting these two letters together. Okay? You're putting those two together. If you say l. That's why it's very important just to say the vowel, the consonant sound. Okay, really important. New sound from last lesson. New sound. I had my hand here for this one. Can anyone remember it? Well done. Here's our picture. It's a horse. Horse. From the horse's head, down to his feet, over his back. From the horse's head, down to his feet, over his back. It's a horse. Feel the wind on your hand. Good. Horse. New sound today. Even we're practicing the pictures for the letters. Also doing some new sounds. This one. Now that's a strange one. It's a consonant blend. We've got the s and the h together. Let's have a look at the picture. There they both are. And they are saying, the snake is saying shh to the horse. Shh, said the snake to the horse. Shh, said the snake to the horse. Shh. And we usually say that when being quiet. Shh. Or when someone's sleeping. Everyone. Shh. Okay. Last one we're looking at today. This one. Here's the picture. It's a robot. Robot. Down the robot and over his arm. Down the robot and over his arm. robot. So your tongue inside your mouth has to go at the back of your teeth. It's a really hard one. Robot. And that's what we have today, practicing the pictures to help you remember the different letters in the alphabet and help you with the sounds that they make. Okay, thank you to my student who gave me that great idea. Thank you for that. And I hope to see you again next time. I do teach on Cambly. If you want a lesson from me, just drop me a message and I'll send you my profile details and we'll get working on vocabulary, grammar, and help you have some conversations and support you with your pronunciation. Okay, if you're interested, drop me a message and give my video a like and subscribe to the channel. See you again next time. Bye bye.